Hi, I'm Gail,
And I'm Jennifer.
and we're here to tell you about a very exciting upcoming event. It's
Summer Zen with Gail and Jen.
And it's going to be on Saturday, July 13th and Sunday, July 14th at the Hampton Inn in Timonium, Maryland from 9:30 to 4:30 each day. Jen, why don't you tell them a little bit about it?
Ooh, we're going to have so much fun.
We are.
Why don't you tell them about the price?
Oh, well, we have an early bird special until next Saturday, June 15th, and for both days it's $225. And after that, the full price is $250 for both days.
I wanted her to tell you the price because I wanted to say everything except for, lunch, both days is included, plus snacks and coffee throughout the whole weekend. So you're on your own for your hotel and dinner.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of fun included.
Oh, yes, there is.
Yes, there is. So we're going to start the day with a meet and greet, and we'll have coffee and some snacks. And then we're going to have a trunk show, and we're going to share all our Stitching Zen garments.
And I'm actually wearing a hack of the Zen tunic, and so is Jennifer.
I have on the maxi dress.
Don't lift too high. Hers is the maxi version.
Yep.
And actually we have a few of the garments in back of us, and we're going to talk about that a little bit too.
Yes.
We're going to make the Zen jacket, and we did this at Holiday Zen to kick off our Stitching Zen subscription program online. And we did that last November with a wintry version of it. But tell them a little bit.
We're going to do a Summer Zen jacket, and I'm really excited about this because Gail has made a few of them already out of a variety of lightweight, soft drapey fabrics. So when you bring your fabric, you're going to bring your own fabric to this event. Make sure you pick something that's soft and drapey. It could be lightweight or medium weight. And then that's what we're going to use to make, that's what you'll use to make your jacket. But we're going to start with a demo on how to fit the jacket. And I'm actually going to fit a jacket onto Gail so you can see the process of just making sure that everything is good for your shape before you cut your fabric out.
And it's a very comfortable, unstructured type of jacket. It's very casual. It's not like a structured blazer or anything. So the fitting adjustments are pretty easy, but we can show you some of those common adjustments, like maybe your shoulder, a bust dart, high round back, any of those things. Yeah. And it's got a center back seam, which makes it really easy to do some of those adjustments too, so it's kind of nice.
Yeah, I think it'll give you confidence to, if you're new to fitting, this is the perfect way to dive in because it'll give you confidence to, make some changes to your patterns to get a better fit. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
And registration for this is fairly limited because we want to be able to give everybody lots of individual attention and help you with that. And you'll bring your own machine, so you'll be very comfortable using your own machine, so that should be pretty easy. And we will have the fitting, the trunk show, and then
yummy lunch.
Lummy lunch.
Yep, you're going to have a yummy lunch.
That too.
Yeah.
And then in the afternoon, we'll do the pattern adjustments. We'll help you with yours.
Yep, everyone will get their own fitting.
Yeah.
So we'll just work on that Saturday afternoon. And then, you're on your own for dinner. However, we are going to get together and have dinner Saturday night. So if you want to join us, we'll find a restaurant that can accommodate us, and we'll have a lot of fun chit-chatting and visiting.
Yeah, and
getting to know you.
Once your adjustments are done on Saturday, especially if you don't need a lot of adjustments, if you're ready to start cutting out, we'll have cutting mats and rotary cutters and all that stuff there for you to get going.
Yep.
But then on Sunday, we'll pick up again at 9:30 in the morning and again start with snacks and coffee.
We'll make sure you're well fed. Don't worry.
Yes, that's right. We don't want anyone fainting from malnutrition.
No.
But then we'll just get to work on the construction of the jacket. And again, we'll be there to help you every step of the way. And maybe we should show them a few that we've done.
Yes, I think we should.
Okay. All right. Well, on the dress form, that is a silk gauze. And you can see it's very drapey, very soft, and it's got a cute little sleeve band on it that I have buttons on. But quick construction, easy, and I use that. I wear it over dresses, with jeans, with casual and dressy pants, or you can wear it with almost anything. Your Zen tunic. The center one, the green one, believe it or not, I started cutting that out at dinner time last night, and all I have left to do is put the buttons on the sleeve band. But again, it shows you that once you've made one, I guarantee you, you're going to want to make a whole bunch of them because it's a really nice jacket. And I intend to actually use that one for my lounge wear. I was telling Jennifer we have some overnight guests coming this summer, and I want them to think I actually am very glamorous when they get
Yeah,
up
she's
in
going
the
to be very
morning.
chic.
Yeah, instead of my usual self.
Yeah.
And this one is a cotton gauze. So again, you can make it out of a lot. This one, the center one, I didn't tell you was rayon, but silk, rayon, cotton, zillions of things. And double gauzes are huge
Yes,
this year. So
yes.
they're around, and they're a tremendous amount for selection, and they're beautiful. So.
Yes, we're going to have so much fun.
We are. So again, the early bird registration is till next Saturday, June 15th, and that's $225. Then it goes up to the regular price of $250. And if you have any questions, you can email us at stitchingzen@gmail.com, and we'll put that link up, and registration. And also, we will have the PDF pattern available for download if you choose to want to have that before you come to the event. But we'll have copy shop ones available at the event also,
Right.
if you don't want to be taping them together.
Right, so once you register, you'll get your supply list.
Yep.
And, a course outline, and you'll also get the PDF version of the jacket pattern. So if you want to take a look at it, or if you want to look at the instructions, plus it has the yardage, everything you need in that pattern. But if you don't want to tape it together, don't worry, because we do have the copy shop available for you, and everyone will get that at the event as well. That's included with the registration. So, but we figure if you wanted to look at it as soon as you register, you'll have it.
Yeah, and just as a little FYI, Timonium is within a half an hour of BWI Airport.
Yes.
So, and that's a hub airport for Southwest Airlines. So it's easy to get in and out of. But we'll put lots of information up about that too. So we hope you'll join us July 13th and 14th in Timonium, Maryland.
Yes, for Summer's End with Gail and Jen.
That's right.
Yes.
See ya.